Hi everybody, this is Dennis Foster from Foster's Yacht Services located at Lauderdale Marine Center. And here's number one of our April how-to videos. And today we have a 34-foot custom boat that was brought to us. It had hit something and ran aground and broke off the starboard strut propeller. And here are three integrated fuel tanks done out of epoxy, and some of it's actually carbon fiber, and some of it has core in there, which is core cell, which is a rigid foam. And what we have going on here is some diesel fuel has migrated from the bulkheads and started leaking through the strut bolts down there. And we've been hired to reconfigure this and figure this out and actually do the repairs on there. This particular fuel tank had white gel coat in it, and we ground all the gel coat down the raw glass, and we're going to do a complete relamination of these tanks and seal it with new limber holes, so that when these tanks get redone and more fuel goes in there, it doesn't have anywhere to leak because they've all been relaminated. They're going to be vacuum bagged with 2 layers of 2415 Roby mat and epoxy resin. And then we'll put 3 or 4 or 5 coats, about 2 mils a piece, of resin-rich epoxy. That makes sure everything is sealed, and then close up the tanks and reinstall the deck. You can also see our guys working on each one of these exhaust boxes here. If you see the exhaust boxes, they're leaking. They're all brown soot and heat and water coming out from the exhaust, and you can see them leaking on the inside of the engine room. So we've had to cut open the floor, take a lot of the wire trays and hoses and fuel fills away so we can actually access them and repair them. You can also see the beams have been cut, and there's the top of the tanks right now. So you really need to have people that have extensive experience in epoxy and vacuum bagging laminates when you're doing all these radiuses, baffles, and working with fuel tanks that has to do with the safety of the vessel. So, until next time when this is all finished up and we do our May video, Dennis Foster from Foster's Yacht Services, located at Lauderdale Marine Center, signing out.